Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, everyone. Recently, I have received a question that what is the best time to make dua in Ramadan? Dua is a very powerful tool for the believers and it can be used in any time of the day. However, there are certain times when duas are accepted the most. Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala anhu narrates that Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, in the last third of every night, our Rabb, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, descends to the lowermost heaven and says, who is calling me so that I may answer him? Who is asking me so that I may grant him? And who is seeking forgiveness from me so that I may forgive him? This happens every night, the last third of the night. It's an authentic hadith, a Qudsi in Sahih Bukhari. Now, we can benefit from the last third of the night all year. But in Ramadan, it is easier because we have to wake up early for suhoor anyways. If we want to connect with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we should make the most of the time and take advantage of this time to make dua to him. Another time that is best to make dua in Ramadan is right before iftar. There's a hadith, and it's related in the hadith that Prophet ﷺ said, whatever is prayed for at the time of breaking the fast is granted and never refused. This is a hadith in Tirmidhi. Now, this time is significant, right? The time right before iftar. It's significant because usually at this time, either we're inclined towards, rushing to prepare iftar, running errands, or we're resting and we're being lazy because it's the end of the day and our energy is very low. Instead, it is important to make time to make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and sincerely believe that inshallah it will get accepted. Both of these times have a common theme, they have a common factor, and that is that both times are occupied with either resting, sleeping, or being busy in other tasks. In order to take out the time to make dua, a person needs to have the motivation and has to put in conscious effort to do this. That effort and motivation and the sacrifice of sleep and rest is what makes dua special at these times. Our suhoor time should not just be about eating our suhoor, but we should wake up at a time so that it is enough to make dua and, we can also have our suhoor. Same thing for iftar as well. We should take out the time and make our schedule in a way where we have a little bit of time before iftar to actually sit down and make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us to make the most out of this Ramadan, and may He accept all our du'as. Ameen.